Okay.
Swim in a snowy place? I don't think so.
Christmas is over, guys. One, two, three. What is up, vacation fans? Your boy, not cert, and location Timothy, and we are back making a video now. Okay, so whoa, we're doing Talking Tom and Friends. Okay, so there, over there. Wait, oh, right there. Okay. Alright. Okay, so Tini and I already played this game. Yeah, for some reason. Okay, so whoa, Angela. Okay, you played this because I don't play Angela, you know what I mean?
I'm not a girl. It's haunted. A little bit of a haunted girl.
That's a smooth black button.
Like a criminal undercover, yawn.
This is not right. This one?
Oh, right there.
This one?
In the bottom. Not because of the chubby kids.
Chubby kid power.
This one. This one. This one. And this one. And this one. I did it!
They even love to play.
I love to play.
Here. What?
Okay, I just said that, but I just don't mean it.
You're so insane. You're so insane.
Oh, there. Oh, the logo is right there.
Who's Pierre? Pierre Power?
Anything?
I didn't know his name was Pierre.
Okay. We're not saying anything, you know what I mean?
The famous. The
But when your brain goes numb.
infamous.
You can call that mental freeze.
Famous.
Okay, this. Right here. Oh, wait, in the bottom. There. Okay. Generator for sale and for rent. Gosh, no! Oh my gosh, Angela again? Oh gosh.
You're not gonna make me do it, are you? You're a girl. You play girl games.
Okay, so you just do this.
No,
Okay?
you do it.
You do this.
No,
You do
you
this.
do it.
You do this.
You guys are so annoying.
I'm downloading. I'm going to play contact.
Why you want me to play this?
It was your idea.
Because the developer of this game is from My Talking Tom and from All. Okay. If it's the developer from My Talking Tom, why you add more like sample pack that it's not even from Talking Tom?
I wanna do it.
Oh, Ben! Okay, so
I wanna do that.
alright. That's just an honestly, okay?
It would have been better if you just didn't give me anything.
Okay, right there. Okay. Whoa, ginger. Okay.
Ginger? The vegetable? Is it a vegetable or
Okay.
fruit?
Alright. Whoa, there's a rocket ship.
That's a rocket ship!
He always played that the whole time. Actually, we also play Ginger.
If you want to see it, let us know.
Oh, here it is. Tom again. Okay. Do this. Do this. I'm doing this. I am doing this. this. Okay. Oh, the last one is Hank. Alright. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. Do this. Okay. You wanna know what's that noise? Is the water will become. Okay. Okay, so we always make a puzzle of Talking Tom, so I will do the sample pack that it released from 1990s.
How? Let me try. Let me do it.
You know how to do this one.
Boop, boop.
No, in the other side. In the bottom.
This one.
Over there. Bottom. Cause you're trying to reach a hat, you know?
Oh, you trying to reach your hat because you ain't got no hair?
Where's this side? Oh.
Okay. That one. That side. That side. Okay, so. Alright. Alright, we're doing this. 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 Alright, we always saying that. Do this. That one. Oh, that one. And this. Why this lady is like, hey, can you fix my flower? And this little dude says, sure, okay then. And this girl is like, she said, don't worry mom, I will help her. Don't know what to say because I have ADHD still. I got like anything, but I need speech classes.
I need speech classes.
Okay. Alright. Why this dog needs a lot of ink?
They don't drink ink.
Okay. Alright. Don't want to do this because I'm tired. I can't do this. Okay. Doing this. Doing this. Okay, so why there's wet rock and wet leaves? Okay, doing this. I'm doing this. Okay, here. Wait. Okay, here. Right there. Right there. Right there. Here. Because you want to know. You always making anything. Alright, so I'm doing anything for myself. And I can do everything. Here. Okay, so now I did the puzzle of Olivia Rodrigo's chairs.
But I've never felt this way for no one.
Whoa, the peacock. Okay, do this, this one, that one, bottom, middle, bottom, bottom. 15 seconds, that was easy. Whoa, there's a ship. Okay. Alright. In the top, bottom, bottom. Oh, both of them in middle. Okay, this. Okay then. Okay. Alright. Do this. What the? Oh, right here. I can do anything from Chubby Kids.
Fight someone your own size, fool.
And you can do some permission to dance.
We don't need permission to dance.
Do this! Okay. So, is this the waterfall or it's really the lake?
What's that? That's the waterfall.
Okay then.
That looks like something from.
Wait, why there's a gate there? Are they gonna come and swim there?
Swim in a snowy place? I don't think so.
Christmas is over, guys. Alright, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy. And we almost at 250 subscribers on my first channel. Okay? So we'll check you later and peace out vacation on my vids. But wait, I'm going to say something. 250 subscribers celebration. I will gonna show you something from upstairs. Whoa! Okay, so if you see the video of it, go check it out, like literally. And it says Tristan, and then there's music melodies in there, and it says let's enjoy the beat. Okay, so thank you for watching and peace out on my stop. You scare me. Alright, peace out vacation on my video.
We've traveled the seas, we've ridden the stars, we've seen